In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily reach potential candidates efficiently. Let's get started with the very first step, logging into your LinkedIn account. It's important to make sure you're using a business or personal account that aligns with your hiring goals, as this will allow you to manage your job postings, connect with candidates, and receive relevant notifications all in one place. Once you're on your home page, you'll notice a variety of options at the top of your screen. Look for the button labeled Jobs. Clicking this will open a new section that is solely dedicated to job-related activities, providing an intuitive interface to assist you in your hiring journey. On this page, direct your attention to the option that says Post a Free Job. By clicking on this, you'll begin the job posting process, and this is where all the magic happens. The first piece of information you'll need to enter is the job title. Be sure it's clear and accurately reflects the role you're looking to fill, as this will be a significant factor in attracting the right candidates. Once you've typed in the job title, go ahead and click Continue to proceed. Now comes an important part, crafting the job description. This is your chance to make a strong impression, so take the time to present the responsibilities clearly. Include necessary qualifications and any other pertinent details that candidates should know about your company and the role. Writing a compelling job description can make all the difference in attracting qualified applicants. After you're satisfied with the description, click Continue to move on. Next, we'll focus on job settings, which are crucial in managing applications effectively. Though there are currently no screening questions set up by default, you have the option to add some. Screening questions can be hugely beneficial in identifying qualified applicants early on, so think carefully about what inquiries will best serve this purpose for your particular position. Another feature to be aware of is the rejection settings. With these enabled, you can automatically filter out applicants who don't meet your must-have criteria. This saves time and helps maintain an efficient hiring process by automatically sending rejections to those who don't provide ideal answers. Managing applicants is another aspect where LinkedIn excels. You'll receive email updates regarding new applications, so it's crucial to use an email address you check regularly to ensure you don't miss out on any promising candidates. LinkedIn also provides an option to enhance your profile with the #hiring frame, which can help extend the reach of your job post to your network. It's a small step, but can significantly expand your visibility. Enable this feature if it aligns with your hiring strategy. As you move forward, LinkedIn will prompt you to promote your job post to attract more qualified applicants. However, if you'd like to keep this process cost-effective, feel free to decline this option and post without promotion. The final step is adding a payment method. LinkedIn assures users there won't be immediate charges, though your card may see a temporary hold of up to $1 for validation purposes. It's just a security measure, so there's no need for concern. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.